In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted responses of Google Forms. If you've ever removed something by accident, don't panic. There are a few reliable places to look and quick actions you can take to bring your data back. First, if you link your form to a spreadsheet, here is a good chance your data is safe. Google Forms can be connected to Google Sheets. Every response is added as a new row, even if you clear responses inside the form. The linked spreadsheet keeps its copy. So open the linked sheet in Google Sheets and look through the Form Responses 1 tab. You'll often find everything intact unless the sheet itself was edited or cleared separately. This is the quickest way to get your data back into view. Next, act fast with undo. If you just deleted a question or cleared responses and you still have the Form Editing tab open, press Ctrl-Z on Windows or CMD-F on a Mac to instantly reverse the action. Undo only works while that editing session is still active. If you've closed the tab or made many other changes afterward, the undo history may no longer include the deletion, so try it right away. If questions were removed but the underlying data wasn't fully wiped, you might still be able to pull a copy straight from the form. In the Form Editor, go to the Responses tab. In the upper right of that tab, click the 3 vertical dots next to the spreadsheet icon and choose Download Responses. .csv. This exports a comma-separated values file containing the responses that remain on the back end. It's a handy way to capture what's still available, and you can open the file in Google Sheets or Excel to review or restore columns. Keep in mind that CSV files contain plain rows and columns without formatting or formulas, which makes them easy to re-import, archive, or share for backup. Finally, if the entire form was deleted, check your Google Drive trash. Visit drive.google.com, Drive Trash. Locate the form file, right-click it, and select Restore. That will return the form to its original folder in Drive, along with any responses that were stored with it. If you don't see it there, make sure you are looking in the correct account and that you are checking trash rather than folders. Those are the essential ways to bring lost responses back. Check the linked sheet, use undo immediately. Download a CSV from the Responses tab, and restore from Drive Trash if the form itself was deleted. Thanks for watching.